Why is credit important to me? I was not watching something. I was taking a course last night, and it was talking about transformation. It would jumped out at me as they were talking about it was what I love about credit is the way it has the ability and the potential to transform somebody's life. And that really is the truth. It can transform your finances. It can help you get in the home that you want. It can help you purchase the car that you want. It can help you get a lower interest rate. The thing about credit as well, and I just want to touch on this just a little bit, is we all know it's so you can get approved if you want a loan, things like that. But here's the other thing that people may or may not know, or that you all may or may not know. By law, a potential employer or your current employer has the right to pull your credit report. A potential employer has the right to pull it if, they want to see if, what's on your report, especially in the financial industry. I remember one time I got turned down for a job because I had a collection. I had a collections reporting on my account. And she was like, well, if you take care of that, we can, call us back and we'll reconsider you. We'll go through the whole interview process again and everything. And it was just like like what? But it was for banking. And it was literally in the call center. I'm like, I'm not even handling people's money in the sense of, literally like in the bank account money and stuff like that. But it was just like, no. And guess what? It also affects car insurance. I got turned down one time. Well, not turned down, but I was only able to get liability. This was some time ago now, but I was only able to get liability. When they told me I was like, wait, so because of my credit score or whatever is on my report, I can only get liability. I can't get comp and collision. I'm like, what's I got to do with my credit score? I really couldn't believe it. And so, when I got off the phone with them, I Googled it because it was just like, what? And it really was true. I was like, this is unreal. So your credit score, okay, let's say you're not even trying to get a house. You want to get an apartment. Guess what? They're going to pull your credit score. If you want to get a cell phone, they're going to pull your credit score. And the lower your score is, the more you're going to pay, the higher your down payment will be. So I love the transformational aspect of credit repair, of educating people regarding credit, because it really has the potential to transform your life, to really impact your life, because finances affect so many areas of our lives. So credit, having that healthy score, having that high score, having a healthy credit report can really make a difference in your life. And I want to avail myself to help you, because I'm not here to do all the work, just meaning I may send out the letters for you and review your report and, let's talk and give you some strategies and ways that the game plan that we can go about managing your credit. But you got to work with me too. You can't just be out doing whatever, not paying your bills, maxing out your cards and stuff like that. That's not helping. So help me help you. So if you would like to connect, please reach out to me. You can call me. If I'm on the phone with a client or something and I don't answer, please just leave a message at 980. It's a new number. That's why I don't know it. 980. That's the area code. 837-3729. The number again is area code 980-837-3729. You can also reach me by email at emilleragency@gmail.com. emilleragency@gmail.com. Or you can just simply inbox me. Now, the name of the company, I have an official name, so that may change, and I will let you know. But I'm just kind of giving you a heads up there, because by next week, honestly, I plan to release the new official and final name of the company. But anywho, back to the matter at hand. I have appointments available. Inbox me, call me, email me. Let's set something up. Let me help you. Let's pivot this year. Let's pivot your finances this year. Let's pivot your credit this year, which will then also help to pivot your life. I know that you have some financial goals and some things that you would like to do. And if credit is in the way, I would like to see what I can do to help you to get to a better place when it comes to the wellness and the health of your credit. All right. Yeah, that's it. So look forward to hearing from you. And guess what? If you don't need help, your credit is good. But if you know somebody, send this video to them. Reach out to them and say, hey, I got somebody that, I believe you can trust to help you with your credit. And lastly, if you want to do it yourself, if you prefer to do it yourself, I have a do-it-yourself software that has letters in it, it has tips in it, and different things like that. And you can still get a complimentary hotel voucher for a vacation to Cabo, Cancun, or Las Vegas. All right. All right. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you, or I'm looking forward to you referring me to someone who can use my help. All right. I love you, and I want to see you win. Mwah.